Hey guys, I just realized this is my first video in a long time. Yes, it's probably been like 3 years. And I'm not going to do any of the gaming videos. I mean, I might, but I don't play that much anymore, so like, yeah. So basically from the title you can assume that we're taking a 9-volt battery and turning it into an 18-volt battery. Or more. So like here we have 18 volts, right? And I'm kind of dumb, so I don't really remember what 18 plus 9 is right now. So I guess you can roast me in the comments for that. But that's more. Probably, now I think about it, it's probably like 26, no, 27, something like that. And then you can just literally keep combining them, just like this. And ding dong, my dudes got a positive and negative. Just put that up to like motor or something, you know, like this isn't gonna work because they don't stretch and I don't have wires soldered onto them. This isn't gonna work because look at that. And I have this, which could work, but for some reason today my motors are not working, so I could not record any proof of this actually working. But I will provide a link to this one video I saw a long time ago if I can find it. So yeah, bye.